Hello, this is Susan from S.A. Mitchell Creations, and I have just a quick tip for you today on practicing to sew, especially helpful for little ones who are having a hard time making straight lines. What I've done with my little girl is I've given her lined paper, and I've asked her just to follow the lines. So with no thread, keeping the needle, I just put my stitch length at what I would normally sew. Lower the foot and see how well they can follow that straight line. Not pulling the paper, just guiding it. And then I have her do a number of those. And after she's done a few, and she's getting really good at it, then I just take a marker and I draw some light curves. I then have her do the same thing just by following the curves. Now, make the curves quite large and gentle. These are borderline almost too sharp, because if they're too sharp, I'll show you. Then what you're going to have to do is teach them how to keep the needle in the down position, guide it slightly, do one step, move, lift the foot again, and just slowly make your way around. And we don't want them feeling discouraged, because this is hard and usually more for advanced sewists. So we just want a short or a soft curve. And when you turn it, you don't want to make a sharp 90 degree. You will see that. You just do tiny little bit, one stitch, you could try different feet like the zipper foot and then just the regular foot and any others that you might have, just to show them how it looks as you're using it, because the needle gets positioned in different places. But it's not really that important. As you can see, I can kind of move my paper under my foot because I don't have the pressure really high on this one. So that's just a quick exercise. You can see how well they're doing because you do have the holes there. And anyway, so practice along before we start our pillowcases. And that's just a quick tip for Tuesday. We'll talk to you later. Bye.